I embroidered this heart and now I want to cut it so that it is centered on a flap. So I have my rotary cutter, I have my ruler, and I have a heat erasable marking pen. My flap is going to be 5.5 inches wide. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide 5.5 by 2, which is 2 3/4, and I'm going to mark that from the center in one direction. I measured over 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3/4. I'm right in the middle of the heart. I'm trying to keep it as straight as I can, so I'm using these lines as well. And I'm going to just draw a line with my heat erasable pen. Used my 5.5 inch line. I flipped my piece around, measured 5.5 inches over, and drew my second line. Before I trim the length down, I'm going to place my twist lock, which is the hardware I'll be using, keeping in mind my seam allowance, and now I know where I want to trim. I trimmed it to the right height and I trimmed a piece for the back, so now I just need to sew these together. Ready for hardware.